Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Now this video is about a very easy question. It's a little longer, but it's really simple. Now before starting this, let me tell you there are multiple ways to solve this question. You can use bit manipulation, you can use nested for loops, okay, but in this question we'll be solving this using creating different functions, okay. So let's dive straight into the question. Let me show you what the question is about. So basically right now we are given like 2D array, okay, where we have different 2D arrays, okay. So I will take only one array right now. Okay, let me change this. Yeah, okay. Yeah, so the question is, we are given an array, like array inside like 2D array, okay, and let's say we have 1 0 1 1, okay. So basically we need to do two things. First is reverse, second is flip, okay. Now what is reverse? We need to reverse this, like as the word says, we need to reverse this. That is, if it is 0 1 1, then we need to reverse this as 1 1 0. This is after reverse, okay. And next is flip. Now what is this flip? Flip is nothing but flipping the bit. What does this mean? If it is 0, we convert it to 1. If it is 1, we convert it to 0. So after flipping, this is going to be 1 0 1 0, and it is 0, then we convert to 1, okay. So after doing all this, we need to return this, okay. Now in our question, if we will see, for example, if we take one of the example, what is this? 1 1 0 1 0 1 and 0 0 0, okay. This is our 2D array, okay. Let me divide it. This is at this place we will reverse. So 1 1 0 will convert to 0 1 1. 1 0 1 is going to be 1 0 1, and 0 0 0 is going to be 0 0 0. This is our reverse, okay. Now we need to flip. So 0 will become 1, 1 will become 0, 1 will become 0, 1 0 0 1 1 0, 0 1 0 1 0 1, okay. So this is going to be our final answer, okay. It is really simple. Let's dive straight into the code, okay. Now for this, first what we'll do is we'll traverse through our image, okay, but it will be like traveling not just via normal for loop. I'll be using for each loop, okay. So in image, okay. Now we are at first, like we are passing through the 2D array, right? So we are at the first array, okay. So what we'll do is I will simply reverse this array and I will flip this array, okay. And at the end we will simply return our image, because this is an in-place algorithm, right? Like we'll be solving this using, will not be utilizing any additional spaces, or will not be creating any additional arrays for this, right? So let's create this reverse function, okay. So I'll be making it public. It doesn't matter, you can make it private, okay. So yeah, public, and still return type is going to be void, since we are not returning anything. We are just simply making changes in the array itself, okay. And now this is going to be reverse, and we have array, okay. Now reverse is what? We need to reverse our array, okay. So for this we'll be using the classic example, okay. I will take a start at 0th position and end at a dot. We'll take 2 pointers, one at the starting position, one at the end position. Now yeah, we will also be solving 2-pointer problems in the future. So if you are aware of 2 pointers problem, then it is really good. If you're not aware, then don't worry. This is just an example. you will get a gist of what two pointers is. Okay, so yeah, so we have, and what I'll do is while start less than equals to n, okay, I will simply, we need to swap our first and last element, because using by this what will happen is the array will be reversed. Okay, so I will create a temporary, okay, and I will start a of start equals to a of end, and a of end, that is going to be temp. This is this I think you will have to mug up this. If you don't want to mug up, then it's let me explain this if possible. Okay, so at this point, let's say your I'm sorry, yeah, so let's say this is 5 and this is 6. This is your start and this is your end. Okay, so what you are doing is you have 3 variables, start and end. So right now what you do is you assign your array of start to temp. Okay, so your temp becomes 5. Let me create at this stage, first start is equal to 5 and end is equal to 6. We don't have temp anything, right? Temp we just assigned it just now. So start temp is equal to, let me write it here, temp is equal to a of start is equal to a of end, and a of end is equal to temp. Okay, so right now what we did is first step this. Okay, temp is equal to a of start is what? 5. Okay, so we assign temp to 5. Now next step is a of start, that is equals to a of end. So the a of start, that becomes what? A of end is 6, so this becomes 6. Okay, now next step is a of end, it becomes temp. Now what is our a of end? A of end, this, it becomes temp. What is our temp? 5. Okay, so if you can see this, our new values is 6 and 5, which is reversed. Okay, 5 and 6. Okay, so the logic behind this is really simple. Now let's go here. Now after this, we need to take care of 2 things. Once we are done with this, okay, we need to move our start to one place to the right and end from one place to the left, because if you don't do that, then it will go into reverse like continuous loop. Okay, never ending loop. So I will do this start plus plus and minus minus. Okay, now instead of this, if you don't want to do like this, you can replace this start plus plus here, okay, and end minus minus here. Your increment and decrement, you can do this here. Okay, now our reverse is done. Next we need to flip. Okay, so void flip, this is our array. Now let's go through our array equals to 0, I less than a dot length, I plus plus. Okay, here what we'll do is we will simply assign ai to what? Now here I am using the Lambda function, like it is a short way to utilize, like implement our if else statement. Okay, it is also like called some ternary operation, I think, where you use question mark and semicolon. Okay, so basically ai will set it to what? If we will check if ai is equal to 0, then we will assign it to 1, otherwise we will keep it as 0. Okay, like if we find ai as 0, then it will convert 0 to 1. Okay, if it is not 0, then the other option we have is 1. That means if it is 1, then it will convert to 0. Okay, so our code is done. Let's submit this. Okay, so it is that simple. You can see we have completed this in like 0 ms. It is really simple. So make sure you understand how these things work. These are like the base of most of the problems that we are going to solve. Even in the competitive programming, such small things are really, really important. Okay, so yeah, That's it for this video. I hope you liked it. Do let me know if you have any other suggestions, problems, or queries for me to solve from any other platform. Okay, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, keep coding.